Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Welcome back again. This is your boy JJ right here at JJ's PC Builds. We're going to get it started with a little bit of, do a little benchmarking today. So stick around, don't go anywhere, don't touch your dial. We got more for you right here at JJ's PC Builds. Alrighty, welcome back. Welcome back. Good to see you. Good to see you. Let's see. Let's get it started with. I'm just going to benchmark today. Let's see. Let's go ahead and let's pull up Heaven Benchmarks. I haven't pulled that up in a while. Let's pull that up and see what we can do with that. Here we go. Let's go ahead and just run it and see what happens. Alrighty. And I wish I would have put no sounds. There we go. Oh yeah, that's right. Y'all got to be able to see it now, don't you? There we go. Let's go ahead and move it over a little bit for you. Oh, let's see. We're gonna go ahead and just benchmark it real quick. We're gonna benchmark it for you. So there we go. We're gonna see how we doing. Oh yeah. See, I do this once in a while with my PC. I'll turn around and I'll just benchmark it and see what's going on with it to see, if it's still holding up, but there's no artifacting or anything else with the iGPU. So to run this benchmark is very awesome to run the benchmark. It gives it I kind of want to stretch the legs of my PC once in a while by doing these benchmarks. It kind of breaks it in a little bit better, even though I've had it 3 months and I know I broke it in. I've already pushed it to the max, crashed it once when I did that, brought it back a little bit, and boom, perfect ever since. As you can see, there's no artifacting or anything else. Yes, I got the screen a little bit smaller, but there's a reason to that, is because I'm using a second screen to make this all possible so y'all can see it. So let me go ahead and just move it over and up a little bit. Put it right there in the corner. Let me open up another thing. Let me open up the AMD software and put that over here so y'all can see what it's doing. There we go. So as you can see, it's not doing too bad. Stretching the legs of it a little bit kind of helps. So, it's good to test your PC once in a while to see what's going on and, keep it running and going and all that sorts of stuff. Hope everybody's doing great today. It's great to see y'all once again. Let me go ahead and move my big old head out of the way. There we go. I moved my big old head out of the way for y'all so you can see better. Um, kind of had to, I'm limited on the screen space, so I can just give you the numbers so you can see the numbers on both sides of the field there. Oh, the benchmark seems to be going well. I don't see any artifacting or anything else. So, I'm very impressed with the iGPU on this Ryzen 5 5600G. It's still impressing me day by day, every time I go to use it. And, I mean, you can't get it any better than this when you're just going low budget. If you're going low budget, then, you're doing well. So, as you can see, I'm going low budget. This is like the everyday man goes low budget. It's the same routine. It is the same routine. If I was in your shoes, basically, it would be the same thing. Same thing. So, always got to find something. Always got to keep it rolling. Always got to keep it going, Especially when you're gaming and stuff like that, you want to make sure that your PC is doing what it needs to be, especially when you're running in 3D worlds and stuff like that. Having benchmarks seems to be really good for, showing me what it needs to show. As you can see, my score is 4390. Not too bad, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Pretty good. Ah. Pretty good, pretty good. I'm liking how that looks. We hit close. Alrighty, we stretched the legs of that a little bit. So everything looks out pretty good. Go ahead and close that. Alright everybody, this is just a quick little demo of doing a Heaven benchmark, Make sure y'all like and subscribe, and if you like my videos, make sure you subscribe. And this is your first time here, subscribe. It helps us get to the 1,000 mark of, reaching that goal to get above the, what do you call it? It's what YouTube wants us to do. So that way they can, the videos would get out there a little bit better and everything else. But, YouTube restricts you if if you got, so many videos and you're not making any headway with them, they want to make sure that your videos are turning out and you're making progress. But the only way you can make progress is if you get above that 1,000 subscriber mark and you get above that 4,000 watch time hours. So if you can help the channel out, it would be much appreciated. Please subscribe. And if you're just watching my videos, it doesn't hurt anything to subscribe. So, but until the next time, this is JJ, your boy. We will see you on the next video.